We're going to start with our one that was a drawer on top. And we're going to take most of our measurements off of here. And I'm going to actually move this over so I have two different tabs and I can see them both at the same time. And I'm going to open up this view here. And I'm going to fill in the sizes that I have information for. So this is my drawer slide support, which is depicted right here at 7.5 inches. So I can just simply fill that out, transfer that over 7.5 inch. And remember, if it makes your text small in the fraction after you put the inch mark, you can hit Control Z or Command Z, depending on what platform you're working on. And that will make it a full-size fraction. Up here, this dimension is actually going to come from our side view. And so I need to open up my side view in SketchUp. And you can see we're 12 inches with the face frame. Well, if I look here, this is without the face frame. So I'm going to be 11 1/8. So I'm going to transfer over 11 1/8 here. 11 space 1 divided by 8 inches. And it made it small, so I'm going to hit Command Z or Control Z to make it big. I'm now done with my drawing, and most of the other ones are coming from here. So 28 inches tall without the top. So this is not the top. This line right here represents that top cleat that's right underneath here. So we're going to be 28 inches over here as well. And 28 inches. Over here on the left, you can see that we're 4 7/16 to the top of this shelf. And so that's going to apply over here because this blue dado that we see here is actually one of these notches that are over here, and it's going all the way to the front. So that's the same plane on this view. So we're going to put it at 4 7/16 of an inch. So your overall size here, we're going to take that from SketchUp, and that was 12 inches with the face frame. So I'm just going to put 12 down here, 12 inches. And that's all you would need for your inside side view. And then up here, we're going to put the support, how deep the support is. So really, this is 3/4 of an inch because you have a 1/4 inch groove and a 1/2 inch piece of material. So that's 3/4 of an inch. So if we take 11 1/8 minus 3/4, that's going to be 10 3/8. Okay, so that's the size there. And we should have our symbols on this one. So we know it's made it small. So I'm going to hit Command Z or Control Z to make that out to a full-size fraction. So that's all we would need for this inside side view with a drawer on top and a door on bottom.